Good day, it is Stephen Davis here, and in this video I will show you how to operate it. This is just a quick start to operate the washing machine. Of course, you switch on the electricity, and then you also turn on the tap and open the tap. You then of course open the detergent unit. This is for the washing detergent. You can use liquid as well as powder. This is if you have very dirty clothes and you want to have a pre-wash, and this section is for your softener should you use softener. What we usually do is we simply use these washing capsules and then we throw it into the drum, and so it's no problem. You of course fill the unit with enough detergent for your washing. Close the unit, and then what you do here is you open the lid of the drum. Just put your hand here, here's an opening here, I'll show you now when I open it, and exert enough pressure, not too much, just enough pressure to open it. Just enough pressure to open it, firm, but don't force it. And then you of course load in your washing, whatever it is, and just throw in one of these washing capsules. You just throw in one of these washing capsules because these washing capsules are more economical. It has its softener as well as the things that give it a nice smell. Throw it in, and then you of course simply close the lid. I just want to show you here is the lid. Here is a space where you can put your hand in. As I say, you do not use too much force because you can break the system, but there's also a firm force that you use, a firm force. The locking mechanism is down here. Good. Close it, and then you switch on the system, and then you start selecting. Because this is a quick guide, for the very first time, just put it on mix. It's not about, we can later discuss what you do, how you select everything. The clothes will be weighted automatically, and all you do then is you just press start. And you can see, the clothes will be weighed automatically, and there you go. If for some reason you want to change it and have another program, or maybe you wanted to add some more clothes, all you do is you just press start, pause, and it will stop. You wait, and then you open it, add more clothes, whatever you want to do. You can add then more clothes, and then simply close it, and then restart. After you press the restart button, you will hear the system engage more water or whatever is filling up. Just remember, when this locking sign shows here on the display panel, which means that the door is locked, you can't open it, it's locked electronically. This on the display panel, it shows you the time of the washing that it will take. Suppose you want to change the cycle, you want to make it quicker, you just turn it off. Everything will stop. You then turn it on again. You change whatever program you want, new program you want. In this case, I want a quick program. And then you just start it again. In the display window, you will see the time left for the cycle and how long the cycle will last. You also see other indicators, which at the very start you do not need to worry about. The display time is showed here, time remaining. Here this swirl shows to the fact that the machine is busy operating, is still working, and It will stop soon. This lock sign shows that the door is electronically locked. This shows, of course, that this display panel shows the time. At the end of the cycle, the chime will ring. So wait a few seconds and then you can open it and then take out your washing, whatever. Thank you very much for watching this video. We love constructive comments and criticism. Please like and share this video.